Hey guys, so today we were going around. We have a special pasture that we keep first time heifers in so we can monitor them because sometimes first time heifers can have problems with their first time heifers. So we keep our choice on this. We're expecting this group to have calves. So we come out today and found that one of the heifers is having exactly what their own person does. She's having a hard time pushing, so Corey's going to chase over there so we can pick her up. While she's pushing, we'll be pulling them out, that's the goal for today, and I'll check back in with you guys in the video as we're helping her. So that's all for now. Just wait, it's coming. And bring in the baby.
Saw that rope on that I got tied a little bit. You're gonna come loose.
Come on, Mom, push.
Push, Mama, push.
Hold on.
Going down. Can we push against her?
Let the rope loose. Don't choke her out. Let the rope loose.
Oh, it's a lot.
Get his nose cleaned out.
Keep bleeding off of that.
There ain't nothing wrong. Let it go.
After all that hard work, there's Mama doing great. And a beautiful little baby girl. Mama's cleaning her. She's nursing. The afterbirth has already came out. That's what comes out after the baby's born, and Mom passes the placenta, and her uterus will start to contract, and everything will go back to normal, and the mama will heal. And the baby's nursing. Oh, Trying to get them little new legs working. It's an amazing thing. Bringing life into the world is an amazing thing. Precious. So we're happy. The baby is healthy. It's nursing. It's walking around. Those are all things that, you know, as a farmer, you look for to make sure that the baby is able to move around, can suck, so its palate is working and can ingest the milk. So that's all. We'll keep an eye on her and make sure, you know, nothing gets it, or, you know, nothing, you know, a vulture or things like that doesn't swarm it and things like that. Now that small piece of stuff that's dangling out of the cow's vulva is just a piece of the afterbirth, and that'll pass within a day or so. You know, nothing alarming about that. So she will heal and continue to produce milk, and the baby will grow. So if you guys would like to see an update as the baby grows, we can do that. So comment back down below. Let us know if you'd like to get an update on the calf as it grows. As always, thanks for watching, and like the video and subscribe. Thanks, guys.